f is a function from a to b, or x to y will be, you can take anything. If I am taking an element x here, if I am taking an element y here, okay, so x is associated with y, then I can write here, this one is f of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to y. Means what I want to tell you here, this is can be written like this. If this is a, this is b, if this is x, then I can write this one is f of x. Means image of x. That image of x is y. So when f of x is equal to y, we will write now, it's called as f of x is equal to y, it is called image. F of x is called image. Image of x. Image of x. Image of x बोलते हैं, ठीक है? And to get idea, I'll tell you. Suppose a function is defined like this. A function is defined like x plus 2. It defined like this. So if I take in x, suppose in this function, x is always domain. Remember, x is domain. Y is called codomain. F of x is called range. I repeat again. X is called domain. Y is called codomain. F of x is called range. If I take it, this is the x function. If it is, this is x. If I take this is y. X is domain. Y is codomain. F of x is called as range. Okay, are you getting it? If I take x to y, if the function is x to y, x is called domain. If I take function a to b, a is called domain, b is called codomain, and f of whatever is there, that is called as range. Understood? So f of x is called image of x. So suppose you have here 0, 1, 2. So how this function is defined is, this function bolta hai aisa, it will says that you keep anything in this function, that will give you that plus 2. Means if I keep 0, 0 plus 2, how much? 2. If I keep 1, 1 plus 2, how much? If I keep here 2, 2 plus 2, how much? So this is the image. Means f of 0 is 2. F of 1 is 3. F of 2 is 4. So this is what we called as image. F of x is called image. This is I can write as f of 0 I write, or 2 I write, it's same. Because f of x is a defined function. And if this is f of x is defined like this, I want to know what is f of 0, that is image of 0, meaning is image of 0. So I keep here 0 plus 2 is 2, if I keep here 1 plus 2 is 3, like that we'll get. Are you getting what I said? Okay, then if f of x is y, then y to x it is there, then it is called pre-image. If f of x is equal to y, and f inverse y is equal to x. So when I say like this, then f inverse y is called pre-image of x. F inverse y is called what? Is called pre-image of x. Pre-image of x. F inverse y is called as pre-image of x. Did you understand the point? F of x. So I am discussing about image and pre-image. Image and pre-image. Okay. So that is, you should know here. These things, f of x is always image. F inverse y is always pre-image. Understood? Point right now. Write down. Graphical function. If any vertical line, graphical function. If any vertical line cuts the graph if any vertical line cuts the graph at only one point, any vertical line cuts the graph, what I said, any vertical line cuts the graph at only one point, then the graph represent a function. Then the graph represent a function. Then the graph represent a function. Then the graph represents a function. Then the graph represents a function. Okay. Now what is function here? Graphical function we are saying. So what you do here? You draw a line. Koi draw line. So if I am drawing a line, vertical line like this here, anywhere on the graph, if I draw a vertical line, so if that line cuts the graph at one point, then it is a function. So for this one, it's actually this is y is equal to x. Okay, this is y is equal to x function. I will tell you that function time. I will tell you just now. Only graphic representation. Okay, so this is called function. This is called function. Okay, now this one, you see here, you can draw anywhere, it will be cut only one point. So this is also a function. Okay, now if you see here, if I draw a line, it is cutting how many places? 2 places. So it is not a function, right? Here this one is here, this one is a modulus function. You know the modulus graph आपने पढ़ा है ना? तो modulus, see here, you draw anywhere, it will cut at one point. So it is a modulus function. This one square root function. Square root function. I will tell you how to draw these graphs. All I will tell you. Now you can draw anywhere here, it will cut at one point, so it is a function. If this is a circle, it will cut 2 points, so this is not a function. Now here this one is exponential, it's a function. Okay, it's a logarithm function, right? It's a parabola, curve, not function, right? So like that, you will be having plenty of graphs. Okay, don't worry, you will be have like this. This is x cube function, x cube graph. So it is a function. You can see anywhere, it will cut at one point. Okay, it will cut any one point. So x cube function. So like all functions you are going to learn in future. So just representation, just want to tell you that which is function, which is not a function. Right? Copy. Draw some examples. See, which of the following is a function? Question is, which of the following is a function? F of x is equal to, they given, defined as x cube, and they given domain and codomain. Okay, so what I do here, first I will write the first one, option 1, I am writing domain and codomain. Domain is what here? -1, 0, 1. Codomain is what here? 0, 1, 2, 3. This is A, suppose, this is B, suppose. Function is what here? Function is x cube. Okay. Now what I have to find here is this is a function or not, we have to check. Now -1 if I substitute here, I will get -1 cube. -1 cube value is how much? -1. इसमें है? नहीं है, इसके इमेज नहीं है. चलो 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. 0 cube how much? 0. You have here. 1 cube is how much? 1. You have here. Now this is a function or not? F of x is equal to root x. We take always this is positive only. Result we will take in function. We take this is positive. I will explain domain time, you will understand. So domain and range we will explain. So function range always positive you will get. f of x is equal to root x, so we take positive, we don't take negative in this. Only in coordinate geometry we take plus or minus. Here we will not take any, because their coordinates will be there, so we take like that. Here is, we can take f of x is equal to root x is there, f of x is equal to root x, it's a positive x. So you can take here 0, 1, 4, and here 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 0 is 0, 1 is 1, 4 is 2, square root of 4 is 2. You have to take like this. So this is a function. It is a function. And in this case also, another case, 0, 1, 4, okay, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, so 0, you can take here, but here you have minus root x. Positive से minus होता है, तो 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2. So this is also a function. And when you have this one, this time it is not a function. This is not a function. This is function, this is function, this is not a function. Understood? Is it clear? Point is clear? Huh?